Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, where we delve into the art of creating refined living spaces. Today, we delve into a crucial element of outdoor living that seamlessly blends functionality with aesthetic appeal, the pergola canopy design. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Pergola canopy design, understanding its nuances is paramount in crafting an outdoor space that is not only visually harmonious but also provides respite from the elements. Let us begin by establishing a clear understanding of what precisely constitutes a pergola canopy design. At its core, a pergola is an outdoor structure typically consisting of vertical posts supporting crossbeams and often an open lattice. The addition of a canopy introduces a covering, transforming the pergola from a purely architectural feature into a more functional space. This canopy serves primarily to provide shade, offering protection from direct sunlight and, depending on the material, potentially from light rain. The design aspect encompasses the selection of materials for the canopy, the method of attachment, the style and color, and how it integrates with the overall aesthetic of the pergola and the surrounding environment. A well-conceived pergola canopy design considers both the practical needs of the space and the desired visual impact, ensuring a cohesive and inviting outdoor area. One might inquire as to the necessity of incorporating a canopy into a pergola structure. The advantages are manifold and significantly enhance the usability and enjoyment of your outdoor living space. Firstly, and perhaps most importantly, a canopy provides essential shade, allowing you to comfortably utilize your patio or garden area even during the sunniest hours. This protection from intense heat and UV rays creates a more inviting and safer environment for relaxation, dining, or entertaining. Secondly, certain canopy materials offer a degree of protection from light rain, extending the usability of your outdoor space during inclement weather. Furthermore, a canopy can contribute to the overall privacy of your outdoor area, particularly if a denser material or a design with side panels is chosen. Finally, the addition of a canopy presents a significant opportunity to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your pergola, adding texture, color, and visual interest that complements your home's exterior and landscaping. Now, let us explore the art of enhancing your outdoor living space by thoughtfully decorating your pergola with a canopy. The goal is to create a harmonious and visually pleasing environment that reflects your personal style. Here are some tips to follow. First, introduce lush greenery. Drape climbing plants such as wisteria, ivy, or bougainvillea along the pergola structure and allow them to intertwine with the canopy. This natural element adds life, texture, and a touch of romance to the space. Second, strategic lighting. Integrate outdoor lighting solutions such as string lights, lanterns, or spotlights along the beams and around the canopy. This creates a warm and inviting ambience for evening gatherings. Third, comfortable furnishings. Select outdoor furniture that complements the style of your pergola and canopy. Consider comfortable seating arrangements with weather-resistant cushions and throws in coordinating colors. Fourth, textural elements. Incorporate outdoor rugs, decorative pillows, and throws with varying textures to add depth and visual interest to the seating area beneath the canopy. Fifth, hanging decor. Suspend decorative items such as wind chimes, outdoor art, or lanterns from the pergola beams or the canopy itself to introduce movement and personality. Sixth, container gardening. Place potted plants of varying heights and foliage around the base of the pergola and within the shaded area created by the canopy to bring vibrancy and color. Seventh, outdoor curtains or drapes. Consider adding outdoor curtains or drapes to the sides of the pergola. These can provide additional shade, privacy, and a touch of elegance, and can be tied back during favorable weather. 8th, thematic decor. Introduce decorative elements that reflect a particular theme or style, such as nautical accents for a coastal vibe or terracotta pots for a Mediterranean feel. 9th, water features. If space permits, consider incorporating a small water feature nearby. The sound of trickling water can enhance the tranquility of the shaded area under the canopy. 10th, color coordination. Pay close attention to the color palette of your canopy, furniture, and decorative elements. Choose colors that complement each other and create a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. The choice of materials for your pergola canopy is a critical decision that impacts both its functionality and its longevity. Several excellent options are available, each with its unique characteristics. 1. Canvas. A classic and versatile choice, canvas offers good shade and can be treated for water resistance. It comes in a wide array of colors and patterns, allowing for significant design flexibility. However, it may require more frequent cleaning and may not be as durable as some other options in harsh weather conditions. 2. Acrylic fabric. Known for its excellent resistance to fading, mildew, and water, acrylic fabric is a durable and low-maintenance option. It provides good shade and retains its color vibrancy over time. 3. Polyester fabric. A cost-effective option, polyester is relatively durable and water-resistant. It is available in various weights and weaves, offering flexibility in terms of shade and aesthetics. 4. Vinyl. A highly durable and waterproof material, vinyl offers excellent protection from both sun and rain. It is easy to clean and maintain, making it a practical choice for all-weather use. However, it may not offer the same aesthetic appeal as fabric options. 5. Retractable fabric. Often made from canvas or acrylic, retractable canopies offer the flexibility to adjust the amount of shade or sunlight as desired. They provide versatility but may require a more complex installation and maintenance. 6. Aluminum or metal slats. While not a traditional fabric canopy, interlocking aluminum or metal slats offer a durable and low-maintenance shading solution. The angle of the slats can often be adjusted to control the amount of sunlight. 7. Polycarbonate panels. These translucent or opaque panels offer excellent UV protection and can provide shelter from rain while still allowing some light to filter through. They are durable and relatively easy to maintain. 8. Natural materials like bamboo or reed. For a more rustic and natural aesthetic, bamboo or reed screens can be used as a canopy. These materials provide dappled shade but may not be as durable or weather-resistant as synthetic options. 9. Shade cloth. A cost-effective and lightweight option, shade cloth is a knitted fabric designed to block a specific percentage of sunlight. It is available in various densities and colors and is often used for horticultural purposes but can also be adapted for pergolas. 10. Living canopy or vines. While requiring time to establish, training climbing vines to grow over the pergola structure creates a beautiful and natural living canopy that provides shade and visual interest. This option requires ongoing maintenance and may not offer immediate shade. The design and implementation of a pergola canopy is a transformative element in crafting a truly exceptional outdoor living space. By carefully considering the definition, benefits, decoration, and material selection, you can create an area that is both functional and aesthetically captivating. We encourage you to explore these ideas further and consider how a well-designed pergola canopy can elevate your own outdoor haven. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more insightful design tips, and share your own pergola canopy ideas in the comments below. Thank you for joining us today. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.